Hi, I'm Selena, a teacher with 20 years of experience and a test prep expert with Study.com. If you're preparing for the FTCE Marketing 6 through 12 057 exam, this video breaks down the knowledge of business operations, from supply chains to budgeting and workflow efficiency. Let's get you confident, prepared, and ready to pass. A company is experiencing high levels of inventory that are not moving as quickly as expected. What is the most effective strategy to address this issue and improve inventory turnover? A. Increase the order quantities for future stock to take advantage of bulk discounts. B. Extend the product's shelf life by increasing storage time. C. Implement a clearance sale or discount promotion to move excess inventory. Or D. Focus on expanding into new markets without changing inventory management. A. Ordering more when you already have too much just makes the problem worse. B. Extending shelf life doesn't help move products, it delays action. D. Expanding markets might help long term, but it's not a fast fix for current inventory issues. The correct answer is C. To address high inventory levels and improve turnover, implementing a clearance sale or discount promotion is effective. This strategy helps reduce excess inventory quickly by attracting customers with lower prices, thus freeing up storage space and improving cash flow. A company is considering automating its customer service department to improve efficiency. What is the most important factor to evaluate before making this decision? A. The cost of automation technology compared to the current cost of manual customer service. B. The aesthetic appeal of the automation technology's user interface. C. The number of customer service representatives currently employed. Or D. The company's overall brand reputation. B. A nice-looking interface is great, but cost and efficiency matter more for decision making. C. Knowing how many employees you have is helpful, but it doesn't determine if automation is worth the investment. D. Brand reputation is important, but it's not the primary factor when deciding on automation. The correct answer is A. The cost of automation technology compared to the current cost of manual customer service. Before automating the customer service department, it is crucial to evaluate the cost of automation technology in relation to the current cost of manual customer service. This evaluation helps determine whether the investment in automation will result in cost savings and improved efficiency. A business is evaluating its supply chain management to reduce lead times and improve delivery efficiency. What should the company focus on to achieve these goals? A. Reducing the number of suppliers to simplify procurement processes. B. Enhancing communication and collaboration with suppliers and logistics partners. C. Increasing inventory levels to avoid stockouts and delays. Or D. Centralizing all purchasing decisions with the company. A. Fewer suppliers might simplify things, but it can also limit flexibility and cause delays if one fails. C. Stockpiling increases costs and doesn't fix delivery speed or coordination. D. Centralizing decisions can slow things down rather than speeding them up. The correct answer is B. To reduce lead times and improve delivery efficiency, the company should focus on enhancing communication and collaboration with suppliers and logistics partners. This approach helps streamline operations, addresses potential issues quickly, and ensures that all parties are aligned, leading to faster and more reliable deliveries. A company wants to improve its operational efficiency by analyzing its production processes. What is the most effective method for identifying areas where efficiency can be improved? A. Conducting a SWOT analysis of the company's business strategy. B. Increasing the budget for employee training programs. C. Reviewing the company's marketing strategies and customer feedback. Or D. Performing a value stream mapping exercise to identify and eliminate inefficiencies. A. The SWOT is useful for big picture strategy, not for digging into specific production inefficiencies. B. Training is valuable, but without knowing where the inefficiencies are, it's not targeted. C. Marketing and customer feedback focuses on the external view, not internal production flow. The correct answer is D. Performing a value stream mapping exercise is an effective method for identifying and eliminating inefficiencies in production processes. This approach helps visualize the entire production flow, highlight areas of waste or delay, and provide insights into how to streamline operations and improve overall efficiency. Thank you for joining me on some practice questions on the FTCE Marketing 6 through 12 057 exam, focusing on the knowledge of business operations. I hope you feel more confident on exam day. For more practice, check out our FTCE Marketing 6 through 12 057 playlist. And for even more detailed practice, strategies, and customizable study materials, head over to study.com and check out our FTCE Marketing 6 through 12 test prep course. Those who use study.com boast a 92% pass rate. Our courses include full-length exams, hundreds of authentic practice questions, and short, targeted video lessons, specifically developed based on the latest test updates. With our resources, you'll know exactly what to expect on test day. Like this video and subscribe to this channel to get all the latest FTCE test updates. And please leave your questions and success stories in the comments. We would love to hear from you. Thanks for watching. Happy studying.